Hi, everyone. We're going to continue with exercise 18. And we're going to do some fashion illustration on this one. It's actually basically doing coloring. So I will provide you with a template and I want you to create, let me just share my screen with you. I'll give you a blank template and I want you guys to use your creativity to color this image. And I'm going to show you a couple examples from your book as well. So, these are some examples from your book. If you look at the book, you'll see a couple different options. So this is what we are going to try to do today. Go to Blackboard to upload the image that I provided. So copy the image that I provided and then go here and paste. Okay, now we have that layer here. I'm going to duplicate the layer just in case we mess up. That way we still have an extra copy of this. You can also always lock this so that you don't make any changes to that layer. So we're going to work on the very top layer. You can always zoom in to get a better view of this. Now, one thing you have to watch is when we're coloring, we can use the paint bucket and we can just fill the colors. So right now we have this color here. If I try to do that, it's going to color. But there are certain parts on this garment where, for example, on the face, if I wanted to create a skin color here, I'm just giving you as an example. If I just push this, it's going to paint the whole thing because it's leaking somewhere. So first thing you need to do is cover up all the leaking areas. And for that, you can always go to the shapes. You can select the line tool and you can select a black foreground color and then try to cover up all the leaking areas. So I'm going to zoom in to find out where it is leaking. And when you have your line, make sure it is in the pixels mode. While it's in pixels mode, you can just cover that up. That way, when you're in the paint bucket and you push that, it is going to, it's not going to leak, okay? Now you can pick a skin color. For the skin color, I don't know what you want to pick. Let's just pick this one. And first, I'm going to fill all the skin. Okay, oops. This is a cutout, so you want to get the skin here as well. Okay, am I missing anything? Good here. And then the legs. All right, so we got the skin. That's good. Now, I happen to pick this color here, so I'm actually going to continue with that one. I didn't mean to, but I don't want to go back. Just make sure there's no leakage. As long as there's no leakage, it's not going to be a big deal. Okay, now I'm going to try to fill in all these parts. I think that's good. Now that we picked that color for this, I don't know what color to do the skirt, and we have the boots. Maybe I can use the same color for the boots. Oops, there's leakage, so we gotta take care of that. How about this one? This one looks okay here. Okay, so I think it's leaking through here, so I'm gonna go back to the line again, and let's see, some pixels. I'm going to zoom in a little bit and cover that. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna do the same thing now. Okay, now it's working fine. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna try a greenish color for the skirt. Yeah, I don't like it. I like this color. Now the front of the skirt, I did that. But for the back of the skirt, maybe I can pick a darker version of this color. That way you can tell it's the back. Okay. All right, so we got this. I can use this color. I want to use that on the belt here. Okay, if you guys want, you can put a lipstick on her. What are we missing? Okay, now with the stockings, if you want to color them, you can create a couple lines to separate those pieces and color each one separately. So you can do that for some of those if you like. That way when you color it, it doesn't leak. Let's put a couple lines here. Separate. Okay. Oops. Oh, yeah, I will do that actually. Okay, and now I'm going to pick this color to put a couple of these. And we're gonna go maybe a couple yellows. I'll try some blues. But it's quite a colorful style now. Just play with it, see where you like it. If there's anything else you would like to add, for example, you can add some nail polish to this if you like. And for that, you can actually go pick some color if you want. Let's pick this one. And we can fill that up. Other than that, if you want to play with the hair, and maybe we use this color for the earrings. I mean, this is some seriously colorful outfit, but just play with it. And I'm hoping that you guys will do a much better job than I did. So I'm gonna go ahead and save it.